Hi friends, today we are going for unboxing pruner cutter for any plant or anything. So let's go for unboxing. This is I got from South for 30 rupees and this is Visko tools Jalandhar, and you see here this is manufactured by Visko tools, and the name is Super Pruning and Secateur roll cut, and 200 mm, and the MRP they have put at 550 rupees. So this is brand product of Visko Sales India Limited, Jalandhar, Punjab. So next part will go for how you can use in your garden for any plant cutting, dry plant cutting or live plant cutting. It is very useful tool. So they are given this is the lock system. Just if you do open this one, scroll it, so it will open. So here they have given good sharp quality, and in top they are given bronze material, so it will, while you are cutting in trees, it will give more effective results. So again we will lock it for safety purpose. Very useful tool for your daily gardening activities.